Hello learners, the topic is control statements. So here you'll see the switch case statement, some interesting thing where we'll have a number of cases and based on the condition, it will go to a particular case. You may have a number of different scenarios we may have. So like case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. And then if at all the condition is met with some it met with some condition, then it will transfer to case 1. If another condition, then case 2. So like that. So this is another sort of control statement. So let's see the syntax and with the sample program. Okay, shall we go? Yes, let's go. Yeah, so this is your switch case syntax. See here. So we have switch expression or the condition. So if it is, for example, in that condition, if we get it as in the expression or the condition, of course, if we have the outcome as, for example, if it encounters constant 1 as the outcome of that expression, constant 1. If we get constant 1 out of this expression, it will go to case constant 1, the first one. Maybe. So, the outcome of the expression, if it leads to 1, it will go to the case 1. If the outcome of the expression gets as 2, so it will go to case 2. So, see, case 1, some statements and then break. It will break the case. Means that complete switch case, it will break out of it and just come out of the program. So it will execute this. For example, if the outcome of the expression is 1, it executes case 1, all the statements of the case 1, and then it breaks switch case. And this comes out of it. Okay, so that is the basic understanding. So if the expression outcome is 2, it will execute case 2 and then break it. Just come out of it. It will not touch the other cases now. Out of n number of cases at a time, basing on the expression, only one case need to be executed. Then this switch case is, of course, used. So we'll have that type of scenario in some applications at different requirements. So then we'll apply this switch case. So if the expression outcome is not 1, 2, 3, and anything at all. So if it is not matching with any case there, then it will come to default, and some statement will be printed and then come out of it. Okay, so that is your switch case, the basic syntax. And then let's see with a small program so that you can understand. Now see. So seems to be big word, but very simple. So here we have taken ABC. Of course, only AB or enough actually. Yeah, AB or enough, fine. So then character CH. So 3 variables are there actually. AB are required and character CH is required. Okay. So now, A and B and character CH also is required. So now, when I want to see the printf statement, enter the integer values of A and B. For example, I enter 10 and 20. Some address 157, 225, 346. Some address is there. The variables will be stored at some address is there. So I want to enter 10 and 20 after this statement. Here's A and B, 10 and 20, fine. So the scan of what it will do, the first value will be taken as address of A. The first %D, address of A. Then it takes soon after the double quotes, first one. The first value will go to the first one. Address of A. So it will go here. And then enter the next value. 10 space 20 or 10, enter 20. So the next value will be given to address of B. So like this. And the next %D, of course. Try to understand slowly. Now enter the character. So here what? So we have, see the cases here. Case A, S, M, D. A for add. See here. A for add, S subtract, M multiply, and D division. So then I want to just give some character. A, if I give A, it should add. If I give S, it should subtract. And if I give M, it should multiply. And if I give D, it should divide, do the division. If I don't give any of this A, ASM, D, then it will go to default. It should go to default and print something there. Give some statement there. So then, if at all, I enter A, enter the character, I enter A. So, by just seeing, oh, A to add, subtract. Yeah, I want to add something. Then the end user will get an interest. Oh, I want to add 2 values now. So A will be, of course, this is taken to this percentage C. First time we are saying after percentage D, percentage C, which is a character type, into address of CH. So A is taken here. Please understand. Then switch CH, switch expression, which is CH. CH is having what? A. Switch to A. There's clear understanding. Switch to A. So it will have case A, S, M, D, and default. It will switch from here to here. This case, it will go. The control or the process will go there. C is equal to A plus B. So C is a new, So, here C is used. That's all. Sorry. Okay. So C is used here. So then A plus B, which is 10 plus 20, it is 30. So C is equal to A plus B is done. And then printf result is equal to percentage D comma C. C is what? At some other value, some other address. Result is equal to percentage D C. C is what? 30. 30 is given to this percentage D. Result is equal to 30. It prints on the monitor and breaks it. It breaks the switch case. So after the switch case means A, B, everything it breaks it. It just comes out of the program by just printing. Yes, result is equal to 30. We have asked the user, of course, the end user has asked to add 2 numbers there. A is given, he has given A. It is added and just printed the value, gave the output and fit out of the program, means came out of the program. Next time, for example, M we give. With the same 10 and 20, M we give. So CH is equal to M now. So it will come, the processor will check case A. No, it is not M. Case yes, it is not M. Yes, here it is there. Then it will print what? C is equal to A star B. So now it's not 30. 10 into 20, it is 200 now. And then printf result is equal to C percentage D. So C value is 200. Okay. And then it is given to, of course, it is substituted percentage D and break it. So now result is equal to 200. It prints on the monitor and then it breaks out of the program and that's all. And last, if I give, for example, X. So both 10 and 20 are taken and now enter the character. I have entered X. So yes, CH is equal to X now. CH is equal to X now. Small x, for example. So it is not A, it is not S, it is not M, it is not D. So if nothing is matching there, it will go to default. It prints invalid character. Please take. We have given here now clearly. So please enter A for add, S for subtract, M for multiply, and D for division. User should understand, like ATM, when we go there, you want to have the balance, you want to have withdraw, you want to deposit, you want to have mini statements. They clearly ask there. They'll clearly display there. You should understand. And we should press that corresponding button or corresponding thing we should give. So like that, maybe by default, user may not understand or user may try something else. Okay. So if I give X there, the end user enters X there, it goes to default and then it prints invalid character and then come out of the program. So like this, it adds 2 numbers, it multiplies 2 numbers, or it does all the 4 operations. Otherwise, it prints invalid character and come out of the thing. So let's not wait, let's execute it. Okay, so that it will give the complete 100%. The same program I've typed here. Let's not waste the time. 10 and 20. Enter the character. I want to give it as A. So A is equal to, result is equal to 30. Okay. So then, in the same way, for example, I want to execute once again. So the same 10 and 20 I want to give, and I want to give as M. So 10 into 20, it is 200. Done. I want to execute once again with some other character, which is X. Invalid character, please check. So if you give A, it is worked. If you give M, it is worked. It works for S and D also. And if you don't give anything there, A, S, M, D, it goes to default and it prints some statement there, what we give there. Invalid character, please shift. Okay. So that's all the switch case. Hope you have enjoyed. Hope you have understood. So see you all. Bye-bye. All the best. Have a great day.